everyone, I'm Rebecca Troutwine and I'm the Manager of Global Learning and Engagement here at Humber. Welcome to the Global Opportunities virtual booth here at Humber's Open House. We're so excited to have you stop by. We're truly a global institution with opportunities for students to travel around the world as part of your program. We send over 600 students abroad each year to almost every continent. There are 4 different types of experiences you can participate on while here completing your program at Humber. Most of our opportunities allow you to receive academic credit or placement hours, keeping you on track to graduate. We have semester exchange, short-term summer courses, faculty-led experiential learning, and work-integrated learning, like internships or placements abroad. We also have opportunities for you to gain intercultural skills without even getting on a plane, right here on campus, like the Global Citizenship Certificate, which is free to Humber students, and the Humber Global Summer School, which is an opportunity to take intensive short-term courses with students from around the world right here on Humber's campus in the summer for 3 weeks. Now let's flip it over to some of our students to share more about their own experiences abroad. I'm going to throw my trusty passport over to Lee.
Hi everyone, my name is Lina and I'm currently a fashion management student in the Faculty of Business. Fun fact about me, I'm actually an international student that went abroad in my 2nd year to my happy place, Copenhagen, Denmark. I really wanted to challenge myself to go to Denmark and see a new different way of teaching and learning than here at Humber. I studied at Kia Copenhagen School of Design Technology for 1 semester, and not only did I discover a new experiential, hands-on style of learning, but I also made new long-life friends that I regularly connect with and visit. Plus, Denmark is such an incredible country with a sustainable way of life that I can now consider home.
Thanks, Lee. Another great part of studying abroad with Humber is that we have a student travel bursary available of up to $2,500 for eligible students. We know that school can be expensive as it is, so we want to make global experiences more accessible for our Humber community. Some students even choose to make their global experience a work-based option through doing an internship or their placement hours abroad. This is a fantastic way to fulfill your program requirements and get international work experience all in one. Now let's pass it over to Erin.
Thanks, Rebecca. Hi everyone, I'm Erin Cole. I'm the International Mobility Coordinator here at Humber. And when you go global with Humber, we got you. Humber International and your faculty are here to support you through every step along your journey. You've heard about our bursary, but we also provide one-on-one advising, workshops, pre-departure sessions, and assistance with visas and travel health insurance. We even have an app that is dedicated to supporting you through every step of your journey. Our team have all been in your shoes before, and we are ready to help you take that first step and every step after throughout your global opportunity. Now over to Vanya to talk about her summer programs abroad.
Thanks, Erin. Hi everyone, my name is Vanya Gunawardi and I'm studying photography and the Faculty of Media and Creative Arts here at Humber. Last year, I went on a summer abroad experience to Otago Polytechnic in New Zealand. I chose summer program because I have always been passionate about outdoor activities and traveling. And I was aware that New Zealand is a perfect destination for its landscape and scenery. Also, the idea of doing that while earning my academic credits was the perfect summer plan. Now, let's talk to Ryan, who did a faculty-led study tour.
Hi, I'm Ryan Hanna. I'm a 4th-year journalism student at the Faculty of Media and Creative Arts. I participated in an incredible week-long faculty-led trip in Denmark in May 2018. I was working with a multicultural group in a setting to create something from the ground up. I feel more confident in my abilities to work in a linguistically and culturally enriched setting. Because we were in such small groups, we became good friends very quickly. I even earned internship hours for the work I did there. Whenever I go in for job interviews, international experience is usually one of the first things we talk about. You'd be surprised how many managers have studied abroad.
Thanks, Ryan. And thanks to all of our Global Opportunity alumni for sharing their experiences. So, for those of you at home, are you ready to make the leap and start your journey abroad? Want to know a little bit more information or just want to connect with our office? You can find us on our website at humber.ca/global-opportunities. As future Humber students, we are so excited to meet you and help you with your once-in-a-lifetime global adventure. We'll see you soon!